Yo, what's up guys, it's me Dan at campus. Today I'm with Oreo. Don't want to see Oreo. Come on. Chinga. I'm supposed to watch Oreo. God damn. Watch this, guys. And get this. She's gonna start running away. I have it like right here with me. Oh shit. I don't even know how I have that much strength to hold it. Fuck. Okay. You shall die, bitch. You shall die, bitch. You shall die. Motherfucker. Poke. Watch this. Slap. Pow. You guys want to see something pretty cool? Something pretty sick. This thing. Wow, that's hella loud. To be honest, this shit is pretty damn heavy. So, dude, I would slam this shit on this, but then I don't want it. Oreo! Slap that booty. I can't believe I actually slapped her in the butt. Oh. Yeah. Guys, have your parents ever said never to look at the sun? Well, guess what? Mine said look at the sun. No, I'm joking around. Mine said don't look at the fucking goddamn sun. Oh! Goddamn. Woo! Fuck, I almost got bit. Bitch, I'm actually gonna do this shift now for real. Go back to your spot. Hey, I'm not joking around anymore. Look at this. Shit, look at this. Corre, corazón. Look at that. Look, what the what's wrong with your teeth? No, hey, go. Goldilocks. Sneeze. Blush you. She literally sneezed on my foot. Disgusting bitch. You motherfucker, I'll get you back for that one. I'll get you back for that one. Look.